Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the security. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find more settings and tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see at the bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on it and confirm. And here we've got the information that our device simply removed the credentials. Be aware that if you've got the screen locker instead, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.